Jeff Burbank, last month, NxStage Medical, you beat the street, you by about a nickel, you raised fourth quarter guidance, the stock really spiked. So why the confidence, why the outperformance?
Thanks, Greg. Everything we did worked in the third quarter. Our revenue growth targets, we hit them, and we hit them in all of our big business segments, especially in the home, where we really had significant growth. You know, we're a company that brings innovative technology to patients with kidney failure so they can treat themselves when they want, where they want, even while they're sleeping at night.
And you expect 15% home revenue growth in 2016. Can you talk about how you're going to get there?
Yeah, so we have mostly a annuity-based revenue model. So we have some predictability in the revenue, and all the things that are generating that revenue growth, whether it's direct-to-patient marketing, our product pipeline, some new markets like skilled nursing facilities, they're in place and they're working and they're driving the growth. So we have really good visibility and feel like we can achieve that yet another year.
And what about the critical and the in-care center part of that revenue growth? What kind of growth are you going to see there?
So critical care has been an outstanding year for us, probably a little higher than the sustainable rate. We look at that to be around 10 to 12% growth, where we've been well over that this year in the critical care. In the in-center, we did lose a contract. We've been replacing that capacity to new customers and been doing a good job of that. So we think the comps year over year going into 16 will be a little better for us in the in-center business as well.
All right, speaking of losing contracts, let's talk about the competition. So if you're going to be taking share in 2016, who's it going to be from? Fresenius or Baxter? Who's it going to be?
One of the great things about this business, not great for patients, but great from the business, is the business grows quite a bit each year. We're taking a small portion of the growth. We're not even taking really a significant market share from anybody. So that's why I like this industry, is it's growing so quickly that a new entrant can really build a fantastic business. You know, we're over $300 million in revenue now.
And you're going to be bringing out a new hemodialysis machine in 2016. It's something you've talked about for a while. Can you talk about your plans? When can we expect it to arrive?
Yeah, so we expect the end of next year, so the end of 2016, our next generation technology, which really adds a tremendous amount of ease of use, simplicity, and ultimately cost reduction. So we're really excited about bringing that capability to the marketplace.
And as I said at the top, you did surprise the market in the third quarter. You lost less money than the Street thought you would. You're expected to lose money in 2016 again. Any chance of a surprise, a break even, maybe a profit even?
Obviously, we work very hard to do that. We're right at the cusp of becoming profitable. We've indicated that 17 is probably the year for that, but if we do things really well, 16 may be the year.
All right, well, thanks a lot, Jeff.
Thank you, Greg.
Thank you for watching The Street.